Coming to body center cubic lattice, it's also called as BCC, body center cubic lattice. In this, there will be 8 atoms at each corner and 1 atom at center of each cell. These were the total atoms present. Effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms means how many atoms exactly present. See, these 8 atoms here at each corner will be sharing 1/8 of itself. So 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1, that is equal to 2 atoms. Okay. And now for the bond length, is given as 4r is equal to root 3a. If you want about the derivation, I'll explain. See, this is the cubic cell, right? In a center there is one atom, and in this edge there is one more atom, and in this edge there is one more atom. Okay, if you see, this will be a diagonal, yes or no, from this end to this end. Using Pythagoras theorem, we'll get as this is actually these atoms will touch each other. I'll show clearly how it will be. In this model it will be, this will be touching each other. Okay, and overall this length is 4r. 4r whole square is equal to root 2a whole square plus a square. Okay, if you see, this will form a right angle triangle. 1, 2, and this 3. This is a, this is root 2a. If you observe the below square clearly, this will be a, this will be a, and this will be root 2a, and this is a. It will be of this manner. This is 4r, this is a, and this is root 2a. From this we got this equation. You don't need all this, you just need only this relation. 4r is equal to root 3a. And next other thing is atomic packing factor. This is volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell, that is equal to volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube into how many atoms are there, effectively 2 atoms, divided by volume of unit cell is a cube. On calculating, we'll get as atomic packing factor as 0.68. okay, and percentage of empty space, this is 100 minus 68, that is equal to 32%. And coordination number is 8. This, even until or unless you get visualized by yourself, you can't understand this one. What is coordination number? It means if you take one atom, how many atoms it is touching in all the ways, in all directions. See, if I try to explain, this is one atom. Okay, this will be touching the BCC of this unit cell and BCC of next unit cell over here 1, here 2, and backside another 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the top 5, 6, and then in the top right side 7 and 8. These were the total 8. And coming to the face centered cubic cell, this is called as FCC. In FCC, the total number of atoms will be known. There will be 8 atoms at corners and 6 atoms at every face. effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms. These are 8 into 1/8 plus 6 into 1/2. That is equal to 4 atoms. Okay. For this, the A and R relation, we need to know. If I take one face, here is one atom, here is one atom, here is one atom, here is one atom. In the face there is another atom. Okay, all are in same dimension. You need to understand. This is R, and this is 2R. Okay. If I draw clearly, this is 4R, this is A, and this is A. This is the dimension of unit cell. And 4R whole square is equal to A square plus A square. So 4R is equal to root 2A. This is most important. And next, atomic packing factor is equal to volume of atoms present in unit cell whole divided by volume of unit cell. 4 atoms are present, effectively 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube whole divided by a cube. We will get as 0.74. That means 74% occupancy. And next, percentage of empty space is 100 minus 74, that is equal to 32%. Next, coordination number is 12. You think of this one clearly. Until or unless you visualize, you can't understand this. This atom is touching this face of this one, and this face 2, this face 3, this face 4, and 5 and 6. For one cube it is touching all the 6 faces. In the other side also there will be another 6, total 12. Even if you don't understand, also no issue. You need to remember this value 12. And next one is diamond cubic structure. Okay, if you take the diamond cubic structure, the total number of atoms, 8 atoms at each corner. 8 atoms at each corner, 6 atoms at each face, and plus 4 more atoms inside the cubic cell. From here, deriving everything will become complex. So what you need to do is you just remember the formula. No one will ask the derivation or this, the bond length relations, everything. This is the first thing. And effective number of atoms, 8 into 1/8 for this each corner, and 6 into 1/2 for this face 1, plus 4 atoms which are present inside the cubic cell. 8 into 1/8 is 1, 6 into 1/2 is 3, plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means total 8 atoms are present. And now the relation between A and R is given as 8R is equal to root 3A. You just remember this one. No need to go into clear derivation, which is no need. Or if you want, I'll just explain. If you see, to explain this one, you just need to mark up one thing, that diagonals of each body diagonal atom is located in coordinate of a by 4 from the corner. Each body diagonal atom touch with one corner atom and 3 nearest face center atom within the unit cell. And next, coming to the atomic packing factor, APF is equal to volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell is equal to total how many atoms? 8 atoms. 8 atoms into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. We will be getting as 0.34. And percentage of empty space, which is given as 100 minus 34, that is equal to 76. Sorry, 66. And the final one is HCP, hexagonal cubic closed pack structure. Hexagonal closed pack structure. In this, number of atoms are 17. Number of atoms are 17. How I'll explain? How I'll say? If you take a hexagon, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 edges. It will be having one top, and in bottom also there is one more hexagon. This one more hexagon. So 6 plus 6 is equal to, here there are 12 atoms at each edges, and it is having two faces, first face and second face. So 2 atoms at each face center, and 3 atoms are present in triangle wise in the center, like this, and 3 atoms, total 17. The effective number of atoms are 12 into 1/6. This is hexagon, not a cube. It will be sharing 1/6 of each, plus 2 into 1/2 plus 3. 12 into 1/6 is 2, 2 into 1/2 is 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total effective are 6 atoms. Here there another value will come. See, another term is coming, A, comma, C and R. And next, A is always equal to 2R. This is common. And next, C by A equal to 1.634. This one you need to remember. And next, atomic packing factor. This is given as same formula, volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So number of atoms, 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. This is equal to 0.74. And next, percentage of empty space. This is given as 100 minus 74, that is equal to 26. That's it about all the cubic structures. Thank you.